Hello there, you beautiful people, and congratulations on getting Python set up in the last section. I'm really excited about getting started with all the amazing Python goodness that's in store for you in this course, and I hope you are as well. Now, in the last section, we managed to print some numbers to the screen by running our very first Python script. While that was cool, I'm wondering, how can we save the answers that Python's shell gave us back? You know, in case we wanted to use them for later. Well, for that, we're going to need variables. In this section, we'll be talking about the fundamental concept of variables in Python. But before I get into all that, let's just take a step back and get an overview of what we can look forward to in this section of the course. For those of you who feel like you have a very good grasp of variables from using other programming languages, feel free to skip this section if you like. However, if you're new to programming, or just fancy a bit of a reminder of what variables are, then you're going to have an absolutely great time with this section. First off, I'm going to explain to you what a variable is in the simplest terms possible. After that, we're going to jump right in and create our very first variable and see what we've learned working in action. Then we're going to have a discussion about variable types, which is going to broaden your horizons about what's possible in Python and also give you a taster for what's to come in the rest of the course. And just to make sure you've really got everything, we'll close the section with a review lecture and then jump into a quiz and your first coding challenge, just to really cement in that learning. And once we've learned all about variables in this section, we're going to move on to the section afterwards, which is all about numbers, and we're going to combine our knowledge of variables and numbers to create a health potion for an imaginary video game. So in summary, in this section, we're going to introduce variables and variable types and give you plenty of practice to get this extremely important and fundamental concept down, and follow up by testing your understanding with some quizzes and friendly coding challenges. So without further ado, I'll see you in the next lecture to welcome you to the world of variables.